Okay, number 8 is a digit problem, a 2-digit number. So the number, I'm gonna define it right here, right? So I'm gonna call it X and Y, the 2 digits X and Y. You could use T and U for tens and units. I use X and Y, any is fine. But then under it, more importantly, I'm gonna write the value of that number, right? Because that's the biggest problem. Whenever we refer to the number, we really mean the value of the number, and that's 10 times the tens digit plus the ones digit or plus the units digit. So now let's see what the question says. It says the sum of the digits is 14. So the digits are X and Y. So the sum of the digits are X plus Y equals 14. The second sentence says the first digit is, now the first digit is the X, right? So the X is 4 less than twice the second digit. So twice the second digit is 2Y, and 4 less than that is minus 4. So there's our two equations, right? Now this one is kind of set up pretty nicely for substitution. So I'm going to take the 2y minus 4, and I'm going to substitute that right up there for the x. So the x becomes the 2y minus 4. Then I have plus y equals 14. So 2y and y is 3y minus 4 equals 14. We add 4 to both sides, and we get 3y equals 18. We divide by 3, and we get y equals 6. Then I'm going to use one of the two equations, right? I'll use x equals 2y minus 4. So x equals 2 times 6 minus 4. X equals 12 minus 4. X equals 8. So again, they're asking what is the 2-digit number, and the 2-digit number is represented as XY. So the 2-digit number is 86, right? 86.